Key lime pie is a beloved dessert, but can it be frozen? The answer is yes. Freezing key lime pie can extend its shelf life and preserve its delicious flavor. To freeze a key lime pie, start by allowing it to cool completely after baking. This step is crucial to prevent condensation from forming in the freezer. Once cooled, wrap the pie tightly in plastic wrap. For added protection against freezer burn, consider placing it in an airtight container or a heavy-duty freezer bag. When freezing individual slices, use a similar method. Wrap each slice in plastic wrap, then place them in a container or bag. This makes it easy to enjoy a slice whenever the craving strikes. Freezing key lime pie can keep it fresh for up to 3 months. However, for the best taste and texture, consuming it within 1 month is recommended. When ready to enjoy, transfer the pie or slices to the refrigerator and let them thaw overnight. After thawing, the pie may need a little touch-up. A dollop of fresh whipped cream or a sprinkle of lime zest can enhance its presentation and flavor. It's important to note that while the filling freezes well, the crust may lose some of its original texture. For those who prefer a crisp crust, consider making a fresh crust when serving after freezing. In summary, freezing key lime pie is a practical option for preserving this delightful dessert. With proper wrapping and storage, it can be enjoyed later without sacrificing too much of its original charm. So, go ahead and freeze that pie for a sweet treat anytime.